friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a shortcut on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe, how to unmute it. So first of all, open your camera roll and take a snap and click on send to, and click on send to, and then click create shortcut. Choose emoji and select the emoji for your shortcut, and now select contact. You can select multiple contact, then click on create shortcut. So here you can see I successfully created a shortcut, and if you want to delete your shortcut, click on the shortcut here and select the shortcut which one you want to delete, and now click on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner, delete shortcut, delete. So this is how we can create shortcut on Snapchat. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe, how to unmute it. Thank you for watching.